In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter opening balances with a journal entry in the Accounting app. To get started, open the Accounting app from your dashboard. Once you're inside, go to Journal Entries. This is where you can manually create accounting entries, including the ones needed to bring in your opening balances when setting up your books or starting a new accounting period. Now click New to create a fresh journal entry. You'll begin by filling in the basic information at the top. In the reference field, enter a clear description for the opening balance entry. This helps you identify it later, especially when you need to search for it or review historical records. Next, set the appropriate accounting date. This date is important because it determines when the balances become effective in your financial reports. Make sure you use the correct starting date for your records so your reports align properly from the beginning. After that, select the journal you want to use. Choose the journal that fits your accounting setup for opening entries. Using the right journal keeps your records organized and makes reporting easier to follow. Now move down to the Journal Items section and click Add a line. On the first line, select the account where you want to enter the opening balance. Then, enter the amount in either the debit or the credit column, depending on the type of balance that account should have. This part is very important, because placing the amount on the correct side ensures the account is reflected accurately in your books. Continue adding additional journal lines for the rest of your opening balances. For each line, choose the correct account and enter the corresponding amount in debit or credit as needed. Take your time here and make sure each figure matches your source records, since opening balances form the foundation for future transactions and reporting. As you enter all of the lines, make sure the total debit and total credit amounts are equal. A journal entry must be balanced before it can be posted, so this is a key checkpoint before moving forward. Once all lines have been entered, review the full opening balance entry carefully. Check the reference, date, journal, accounts, and amounts to confirm everything is accurate. A final review can help prevent issues in your financial statements later on. When everything looks correct, click Post to record the opening balances. This finalizes the entry in your accounting records. To verify that everything has been entered properly, go to Reporting and open the relevant accounting report. Review the balances there to confirm that your opening amounts appear correctly and match what you expected. That's it. You've successfully entered and verified your opening balances in the accounting app.